first thing when you pull up. Don't
No, I'm very short, yes. So when you put the honey away the other day, I was like, oh, I know she was like, I'm short as fuck. Like, I can't even reach it. Oh, it's funny because I forgot how short I was. So, like, you reminded me.
Wait. Oh, yeah. I just wanted to, I don't know why I thought it was there to begin with.
Yes, no, I'm way too short for that. But no, it was very so accessible to me. There, an 8-ounce pour. We'll call it that.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Dragonfly. So we're in the city and we stumbled upon a community garden. Wow. I actually haven't seen so many community gardens. I mean, I live in McDonough for one, and I'm never really in the city for real, but this is the second one that we've seen today, actually. Oh wow. We have peppers, tomatoes. Some lettuce. More tomatoes. Some beautiful flowers. Wow. Ow. Ow. That hurt.
Like little tiny pieces. I would do pieces of it. That way if it's like. Oh, you doing that? Love, guys.
This is Courtney, guys.
Hi. Happy to be here.
Speak with uplifts. I teach my children that to be black is not a burden, but a blessing crowned in rhythm and root. I tell them, you come from kings. You carry prophecy in your palms. Babylon will lie, but truth lives in you. Rasta taught me that I am not too much, not too lost, not too late. It taught me that I is not two, but one. Me and Jah, me and my people, me and this divine ancient flow. Rasta is not rage. Rasta is reclamation. It's how I came back to myself, how I raised my sons to walk like they're wrapped in songs, how I chant joy even on the heaviest days. Rastafari is beautiful, not because it's easy, but because it's honest. It returns us to what's real, what's whole. No chains, no lies, just life, just Jah, just love. Home.
First thing when you pull up, don't be rude. Make sure to come and kiss the cook then. You can find everything you need in the bar when you get a moment, shorty. Cause you please pack a guard. Matter of fact, make it 3 so we all can smoke. And you curl it so good, you make it hard to choke. I gotta change my clothes cause my drawers are soaked. Cause I can see you got a mouth that make it hard to nigga, man, there's something that you can't say, cause I'm probably the flyest nigga up in your campaign. Stop fighting with me. I'm on that make me play state. Shine, but you can play my music in the tweeters. Looking for a Don film that.
Some get upset to see it on TV. Then they step outside and see it in 3D. Same beat, different song. Why can't we get along? Open note, test, and we still manage to get it wrong. Chromosomes, the hormones, the topic is a war zone. Tells testosterone, he can take the award home. No test, mo test, kids get no rest. Tell them where they lack and neglect what they know best. If you could only step out your own flesh, maybe you'd have more respect for the homeless. Blue collar, white collar, no collar fits. No child care, so mama gotta quit. Some pay the mortgage, some pay the rent. Some stay on the couch paying nothing, getting bent. Mo Trump, no Trump, inner city podunk. The rich getting richer is the one thing we don't want. So, red team, blue team, we need a new team. They done killed Martin, now we need a new dream. Regardless of which fake news you're choosing, the truth is losing. Change how we do things. So many perspectives makes it all confusing like siblings. We all got to keep this room clean. Black lives, blue lives, one flag, two sides. One flag, two sides. I wish we could walk hand in hand for a few strides. Eye for an eye, now we both need a new eye. Open up the door and lend a hand to the new guy. Hell light, pitch black, light skin, dark skin. 100 years from now, we'll be hating on the Martians.
Hello.
Opinions are like COVID. Everybody got them. Can't solve nothing when you're part of the problem.
Woo!
Thank you.
It's gonna be fun. And then they're gonna take everything. Yeah, it's only $20 to land in the airstrip. You gotta land it over.
And we got another one that's 85. Happy birthday to all the June people. Did I get the right age?
You missed by a couple of years.
A couple of years, okay. A couple of years, my bad.
Father's Day.
We got G.
Oh.
I'm Miles. I ain't used to this.
Happy birthday to ya.
Yeah, 'cause I thought you was about to get your dad. I said, I think we're doing that.
Yeah, yeah.